Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how you can purchase the license for Aster from our website. So let's get started. First of all, head over to our website ibik and go to the purchase page, and there are multiple licenses that you can purchase from. You can purchase license for 2 workplaces, 3 workplaces, or 6 workplaces, and for 1 year or perpetual license. So based on your requirement, you can purchase any of these licenses. Make the payment, click on buy and pay pro button for the license that you want to purchase and click on buy and pay pro. Now it will take you to the checkout page, and based on the country you are from, the price will be slightly different as there are VAT or GST added to the amount. Now this one is for Ireland. I have some other pages also open here. So this is for Latvia. Latvia has 21% VAT, so it's added here. Similarly, this is for United Kingdom. It has 20% VAT and it's shown here. And as you notice, each country will show the currency in their local currency. Here for United Kingdom, it's showing as pound. And this is for Singapore, so it's showing as SCT, and the GST for Singapore is 9%. So when making a purchase, it will show you the price in your local currency. It will also add GST or VAT based on which country you are from. Now, if you're a business and purchasing the license as a business, then you can check this business purchase checkbox and you can write your name and the tax number. This will be GSTN or GSTIN number for India and or your tax number for other countries. And if you are not a business and but you are a person or individual and you are purchasing the license for others, then you can check the license to another person, and this will allow you to send the license directly to that person once you enter the name and email and make the payment. Sometimes the company will run promotion and provide a coupon code or promo code which you can enter here to get discount. So this way you can purchase the license. So that's about it for this video. If you have any question regarding the purchase of the licenses, don't forget to mention in the comment below, and have a good day.